Welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. If you're just starting out on YouTube, then it can sometimes feel like nobody's ever going to see your videos, and I could definitely relate with that because I posted my very first video 6 years ago, and currently it has 309 views, but most of my videos were getting less than 20 views even 6 years later. This one has 13 views, 12 views, 8 views. You get the idea. And I think all of us are waiting for that very first viral video. And for a small YouTuber, a viral video can mean different things, but at least for me, it was hitting 1,000 views. And so today I'm going to be going over my very first viral video and then look at some other viral videos as well and kind of see why they became viral in the first place. And so the video in question is this one right here, Super Retro Geek episode 16, Chromecast screen mirroring. And so whenever I posted this video, which was on July 10th, 2014, it kind of had all the ingredients that it needs for YouTube to push this and then for it to go viral. And for me, getting 1,000 views when I'm normally getting less than 10 views or sometimes 20 views if I got lucky is absolutely incredible. So let's go ahead and look at some of the factors that go into that. And if we look here at our traffic source types, the very top one is YouTube search, which is usually going to be the top for most small YouTubers. But the big one is going to be suggested videos. And as you see later, there's also browse features as well. So if you're not familiar with what suggested videos are, whenever you watch a video, it's all these videos on the right. They were called recommended, or you could call them suggested. So YouTube kind of used both. This is a huge area to be in because if you are on the suggested or recommended, that means YouTube is pushing your videos. So that means more people will see this beyond any of your subscribers or normal viewers. And that's pretty much how you're going to go viral. So whenever I did get that on here, this was what really catapulted my channel. And then if you also look at the videos that were suggesting it or recommended, these were other popular videos and channels. And that's really important because if you are watching a YouTube channel that has a large amount of subscribers and views, and you just happen to get on the suggested or recommended area, this is where you're going to get all your growth. And then when I look at other channels that were viral for me, like this one has 3,000 views, and then if you actually look at the analytics, it's very similar. Suggested videos is right there. Browse features are not quite there, but browse features, for anyone who doesn't know, is whenever you go to your home page on your YouTube channel when you log in, it's those videos that they show in the front of your home page. That's what that is. But the suggested videos is the one that's going to bring you the most views and normally the most subscribers. And then I'm going to look at one more video that went viral. So this one has 44,000 views. And on this one, there it is. It's suggested videos again. Now for me, most of my videos are optimized for YouTube search, but maybe in the future these will be more prominent, which is definitely something that I want. But search is always something that is important to me. But without these suggested videos, it's really hard for your channel to grow. And that's something that's been the same for a while now, but it's even more important to have your videos in the suggested areas. And a lot of times it's usually because whatever video that you're producing is either going to be in high demand when it comes to searches, or it could be something that is very trendy, like this digital sneakers. There were a lot of people looking for shift wear, and so videos that were talking about that, I ended up on their suggested and recommended. And also it was something that a lot of people were looking for in YouTube search as well. And so those are all my thoughts on my very first viral video and other videos that were viral, at least for me, and also some of the factors that go into that. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, or maybe some of your own experiences with your own viral videos, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my entire YouTube journey, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.